Audi Q8 2025. You slide behind the wheel of the Audi Q8 2025. First impression: pure power and luxury. That wide grille, the predatory headlights, the cabin screaming premium. But then you hit the highway, and the infotainment starts glitching. Or you hear the suspension groan over a pothole. Forums like Car Like are buzzing. This beauty has some chronic gremlins that can ruin the vibe. Let's break down what breaks, the repair costs, and if it's worth it, especially if your local roads resemble the moon's surface and the gas station fuel smells suspicious. Under the hood, what's knocking and drinking oil? The Q8 engines are like high-maintenance stars, brilliant but needy. The gasoline 3.0 TFSI 335 horsepower feels peppy, but in stop-and-go traffic, the throttle hesitates like the car's deciding whether to go or not. The diesel 3.0 TDI 282 horsepower saves fuel, but bad diesel can kill those injectors. And if you went for the SQ8 or RSQ8 with their beastly V8s, 500 or 631 horsepower, get ready for them to drink oil like morning coffee, up to half a quart every 1,000 kilometers, especially if you drive hard. On Car Like and Audi World, owners grumble. Turbos on the V8 models start whistling after 50,000 kilometers, and the start-stop system on the TFSI lags annoyingly. Diesel owners curse the diesel particulate filter, clogging up if you fuel up at sketchy stations. Not deal breakers, but they'll dent your wallet. Transmission and all-wheel drive, jerks and surprises. The 8-speed automatic transmission, ZF, in the Q8 is supposedly solid, but it jerks in traffic like a rookie driving stick, especially on the gas models. The legendary Quattro all-wheel drive grips any road, but the rear differential clutch overheats if you slog through mud too long. Forum posts mention transfer case seals leaking after 60,000 kilometers, and the RSQ8's differential can start whining if you constantly launch it hard. Suspension, moaning on bumps. The Q8's air suspension is like an expensive mattress, comfy but not forever. After 40,000 kilometers, the stabilizer bar bushings start knocking, especially on rough roads. The air springs can start deflating around 60,000 kilometers if you're constantly jumping curbs. The four-wheel steering is awesome tech, but fixing it costs a fortune. Tech that drives you nuts. 3 screens in the Q8 feel like a spaceship cockpit. The virtual cockpit, 12.3 inches, the main infotainment, 10.1 inches, and the climate control, 8.6 inches. But sometimes they glitch like an old phone. The infotainment freezes, the backup cameras show a black screen, sensors scream for no reason. On Reddit and Edmunds, they say it's often the battery or the mild hybrid starter generator, BSG. Plus, that lower climate screen sits so low, you take your eyes off the road to use it. Body and interior, rust and rattles. The body's galvanized, but the paint's thin, rock chips show up on the hood within a year. Winter road salt attacks the weld seams if you don't protect it. The windshield cracks easily from tiny stones. Inside, it's damn luxurious, but soundproofing is weak. At 80 miles per hour, you hear the wind whistle. Plastics develop squeaks, and the seat leather wears fast without constant care.